I was working on several designs and drawings for 2 weeks straight when I decided I needed a break. So that Friday night, I grabbed some snacks, turned on some Benny Hill, and after a while I started laughing and kind of relaxing. I decided that I wanted to draw something, so I started sketching. And the sketch became this drawing. To me, the design looked super cool. So I shared it on my social media, Facebook, Instagram, and if you aren't keeping up with me there, then visit my website, vancecapleyart.com. People really loved it. I received lots of likes. The image was shared. People were contacting me. Hey, what are you going to do with this devil bat? I told the truth, I want to do comics and toys and hopefully cartoons. I pushed really hard to get a book, together real quick, while the devil bat character was still in, the hearts and minds of these people who liked the image. The first issue was released. Well, it was released via print on demand. Print on demand is when you don't print a stack of books and try to sell them. You set it up so when someone orders a book, they get it and it alone printed, and then it's shipped to them. So you don't have a backlog of old books sitting around your house collecting dust. The book did well enough for a second issue. In the first issue of Devil Bat, our hero gets his mask busted by a demon. After this epic battle, which you can pick up in Devil Bat number 1, our hero has to take the helmet to get it repaired. And so begins issue number 2. Issue number 2 is important because we learn the origin of how our hero becomes the Devil Bat. He jumps on his motorcycle and rides out to the countryside to Ron's filling station. There, his friend Ron teases him and says he don't know if he can get to it, but he does. And he works on the helmet. But at this moment, we also get to learn more about the origin of the Devil Bat, how he got his powers, and how a demon army attacked a bunch of troops, and a light from above gave our hero his superpowers. But he can still be injured. So when our hero gets back home, he decides he's going to keep fighting the demons by making his own costume. But the costume rips, and Ron finds him bleeding to death. And then he gave Sergeant Blaine the Devil Bat costume. And Ron says, I got this from a demon who was attacking people at a funeral. A voice said I need to beat him to death, so I did it. The voice said for me to save this armor. It was designed for good. And Sergeant Blaine realizes that this armor is healing his wounds as they're talking. And Ron explains the suit does help heal wounds. You can fly too. It's basically a glider that heals. But I gotta let you know, the demons want this suit. They'll kill to get it back. I had to leave my family so I could protect them. And if you wear it and continue to follow the voice, you will have to leave your family. Well, the drive is so strong that he has no choice but to go ahead and follow through. Well, anyway, Ron fixes the helmet. Sergeant Blaine rides home on his motorcycle, and when he gets home, he thinks. And so the battle continues. Luckily, my wife still thinks I'm dangerous to be around, so my wife and daughter are safe for now. The voice says that one day my family and Ron's family will be safe. We will be together again. But as for when, only the voice knows for sure, and I have to be ready for the next attack. And I'm hoping the next battle will be the last. Here's some drawings here of the Devil Bat. And the one on your right is the cover to number 3. The first one is the cover number 1. This is the first drawing I did of the Devil Bat, the one I was talking about earlier. This is the influence for the name, Devil Bat. And Kamen Rider was a big influence on Devil Bat's moves and fighting style. Fantasia, the Night on Bald Mountain character. He looks so spooky. He looked great, and I love the cover to Red Raven. Now, as for the Devil Bat's abilities, he has increased speed, increased agility, increased strength, and then when he's wearing the suit, he still has those other things, but he also the suit heals his wounds quickly. He can fly or glide, and he can see in the darkness. His fighting style, it's a specialized MMA he received when he gained his powers, making him unpredictable to the deadly demons. Alright, so James Anthony Wayne is driven. That's part of his ability was also this drive to the point of compulsion where he's to destroy all demons on the earth. Recently, there has been some more sales, so I started working on issue 3, but it's going to be a while, and here's why. I'm one man. I write, draw, ink, color, letter, prep the books for printing, upload the books, write a piece about it for social media, make ads for the books, make videos for said book, and then try to get people to buy the books by joining groups and talking my head off about the book. When it's all said and done, if one copy sells, I make about $1 a book. That's it. Not really worth my time when I only sell 25 books. Or is it? I have fun doing this. I love making comics, but it's kind of wearing me out. I have a ton of new ideas and some old ones I really need to finish, but for now, I don't think it's in the cards. But I don't really play with a full deck. I've been making comics since I was a child. I love writing and drawing all of my creations. And hey, I love working on other folks' ideas too. But love is stronger than common sense. So I'll keep on creating comics for anyone who will buy them and read them. In the links below, you will find links to my stuff. Go check out my work. Hopefully, you'll see something that says, hey, I really want to buy that. And if not, you can tell your friends about it. Whatever, I don't care. Anyway, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. God bless, and good day. Have you recently lost interest in your favorite comic heroes? Do the current stories make you feel bored, restless, even lethargic? Are you reading back issues out of the 50-cent bin more often than not? Friends, you are not alone. There are thousands just like you, and the cure is Devil Bat. Devil Bat is a 48-page adventure comic by Vance Capley, released by Visual Comics and available through Lulu.com. Side effects include lack of sleep, increased adrenaline, antsiness for the next story, and really wanting to buy more Devil Bat merchandise. Ask your comic shop if Devil Bat is available for you, or get your copy at Lulu.com. Isn't it time for good comics again? Let Devil Bat start you on that journey today.
Wow, I am just totally impressed. I've never received an envelope like this. I want to send out a huge thank you to Mr. Vance from Monster Magazine. You see, this past October, I was in it, along with Butch Patrick, and it's the number 2 issue of October 2018. And as it says right here, Butch Patrick and Dr. Paul Bearer will be lurking for you inside. Look at this. They have cartoons, they have articles. Oh, who's that? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh, there's the creature from the Black Lagoon. I'm telling you, look at the artwork of this. It's very impressive. All you got to do is look up Monster Magazine on Facebook, Twitter, and any other social medias.
Vance Capley is a self-taught artist who has worked in various mediums, including drawing, painting, and graphic design for over 20 years. He now has his designs here on TeePublic. Old school, unique, stylish. He is also available to help you with your original TeePublic designs. Make sure you visit vancecapleyart1972 at teepublic.com. You'll be glad you did.